Monkeys, like humans, have a complex lifestyle that involves social interaction, cooperation, and even leisure. They live in groups, establishing hierarchies and forming close bonds with family and friends. Their day often includes grooming each other, which fosters social ties, much like human care and bonding. Monkeys can use tools, display emotions, and communicate through sounds and gestures. They play, explore their surroundings, and exhibit curiosity. In some environments, they even mimic human behaviors, such as washing food, using simple technology, or showing interest in human activities. Their intelligence and adaptability resemble human traits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting stories.